yogurt is toxic. It's just what we've been looking for.
Now this crossword's nothing but swears.
Okay, everyone, masks on. Gentlemen, we've created the mother of all stink bombs.
Most satisfactory.
Put a top on, Mom. Everyone's seen your implants.
But the doctor said the air will help him.
Just go!
Looking good, Carol.
So, you got any steroids?
Oh, you know it. I can make you huge.
Oh, I want to pump my guns.
I want to rip my pecs.
I want to shriv my nards.
Hey, thanks for embarrassing me, dingus.
You asked for it, man. You're broadcasting geek rays over the entire valley.
This is for you. I'll meet you outside.
Hey, look! It's someone who does stuff. The bully's natural enemy.
You're a real leotard.
Yeah.
That works on 2 levels.
Yeah, just like the old Springfield Galleria.
Do what you want to me. Just don't touch the trophy.
You're right.
Bart is my best friend now, which means no one picks on him ever again.
Okay, I forgot how cool Bart was.
Yeah, he's awesome.
Good guy.
That's right, we're best friends now. So why don't you go pick on someone smaller and weaker?
Good idea.
Let's go over to the Sunshine Preschool and wail on toddlers.
Yeah, we'll jump them while they're napping.